Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through the Neorah planners. So I recently got this 2025 daily planner and I wanted to unbox it with all of you. Let's take a closer look. So the box already looks really premium, and in the box we get this amazing planner. Look at the color, it's so beautiful. It's a little thick, but we will soon get to know why. And it also has all of these three beautiful vibrant ribbons. We will take a deeper look inside this planner in just a moment. Let's see what else comes in the box. So there is a little thank you card by Atelier Neorah, which is very cute. Then you also have a small pamphlet of their whole story. And then you have this really nice user guide for the daily planner. What is really amazing is that for first timers, you can easily refer to each of these layouts in order to guide you on how to use the planner. Let's put these aside and take a deeper look into what the planner is like. This elastic closure is also pretty decent, and here we open up. First you have the basic information. Moving on, there is this 2-page vision board spread. Now here you can put any pictures, any stickers, whatever you like. It's going to have a lot of space for all of your 2025 manifestations. Then you come to the year at a glance spread. So here you have all 12 months of the year laid out, and you also have all the dates. And if you can see here very faintly a little tinted boxes, these are the weekends. So this layout is going to be very useful for your yearly planning. If you're taking any vacations, if you are having any trips, if there is a wedding in the family or any of your friends are getting married, this is a great space to mark all of those dates in, so you can plan your year accordingly. I also like to use my year at a glance pages for my PTO information. Then you have all your monthly sections. So here we have January, there are goals, whatever things you want to do, and the health tracker. Every monthly section also has the previous month and the next month in it, and these boxes are big enough for all of your appointments. This is going to be the weekend, so I like that the weekend is not compromised in any way, and I love that these are all the grid lines are here, so your writing will be perfectly in straight lines and not become airplanes like up and down. Here I would like to track all my health metrics, my weight, my fat percentage, etc., just to ensure everything is going okay. So one after the other, here you have all the monthly sections up till December, post which you finally start with the weekly layouts. Now this is my favorite layout in this planner because here they are also hourly. Of course, all the hours are not labeled, but you can see every 3 hours it is labeled. It is very good for hourly planning. And this section on the top also allows you to write down your tasks. And here you can write down your meetings and any particular events, or you can actually time block your entire calendar. I love this layout the most. The best part is that the Saturday Sunday again does not get compromised. If you're somebody who likes to have really packed weekends, maybe you're meeting friends back to back, maybe you watch a lot of movies, etc., this is also going to be super useful. Then you have all of the 52 weeks at once, and finally you, after all of that, you get to the daily sections. Now the daily sections have so much space. They have priorities, affirmations, accomplished, and grateful for. These are arguably really good ways to look at your day. I also like the fact that they have these markers, so you can divide the page into half or quarters as per your wish. Here I ideally would use it in 2 ways. Like you can also use it for work, where you can write down all of your tasks for the day, and you are able to write down every note that you want to take in a meeting, etc. But you can also use this for memory keeping. So here you can write down all of the different events that have happened. Maybe if you've gone out, you can put a ticket stub over here, you can put stickers, you can decorate this as you wish. And here are the tabs. So the tabs on this are useful only for this purpose, that you can mark out the months by this. Once all of your daily sections are done, you have these habit trackers for each of the months. Now you can write down the habit over here and color as you go, so that is also useful, but nice to have the habit tracker. I would have preferred if it was with the monthly section in the beginning. Then you also have expense trackers. Again, Not a lot of space for like an entire monthly expense, but they do have expense trackers for all 12 months. And finally, there are some like notes pages, a year in review page, and a pocket. So that is it for the planner. I really like the weekly layout the most. I think it's a little bulky, but at the same time, it allows you to plan everything in your life. And this is definitely going to be my daily driver for 2025. I am so excited to try this out. You can use my code AHANA5. I will put it in the description to get 5% off your purchase with Neorah. They are a great brand. If you feel like this is a lot for your planning routine, you can definitely find their weekly planners or their like simple monthly planners, daily planners. They also have the A6 version, their petite weekly planners, which is very compact, very easy to carry. So there are a variety of options. I guarantee you will find something that will suit your planning needs. I am so excited to hear what is going to be your main daily planner for 2025. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.